Today I'm going to be showing you a tutorial on how to paste in place in InDesign. So first things first, we're going to open up our InDesign app and we're going to draw a simple square here in the middle. We're going to fill it with just any fill that you want. So if you click on this object and you copy it, and then you go to paste, or you hit Command V, you'll see how it copies off to the side here. Now if you want this square to copy directly on top of where this other square is, you'll do Command C or copy, and you go up here to your edit menu, come down to paste in place right here. If you notice here, there's a keyboard shortcut for it. It's Command Option Shift V. So if you hit this button, you'll notice now when we pull this to the side, it copied right up on top of here, copied in place. And we can do that same thing with our shortcut, Command Option Shift V, and here we go, copied it right up on top. Thanks for watching, hope that helped.